a lighter.
You've not got a permit for that.
What are you doing to the environment?
No.
Honey, pick me up. Why didn't you lift me?
Heads?
This will come up.
Don't know. 20 minutes later. How's it going, folks? I hope you are all doing well. Not filmed a great deal today at all, I'm afraid, but I have been busy. Been working on the bike again, doing some bits and bobs. We're about to have a barbecue. Yeah, it's been more of a concentrating day rather than worrying about filming, but I'll show you what I've been up to quickly. Barbecue is on the go. So, here we go, look. Now it's still in the mock-up phase, of course, but you can see the seat there. I still haven't put the bottom stuff on the seat yet, but that's coming. I've just been mocking up this rear section, and this is the tail light that I'm probably going to use. This is a cracking little thing, and from about there is indicators on each side as well. It's all built in, so you can see how clean that looks. Proper. But yeah, that was some serious faffage to get that bit working, so couldn't really be bothered with messing around with cameras. Oh, got another sunset treat again. Let's go have a look. Oh, look at that. I love it here, it's brilliant. Get these amazing sunsets every night pretty much, when the weather's good anyway. Hey bud, Lance, what are you doing? We're just going to chill out for the evening now, have some Barbie, and yeah, bike's ready for paint now, nearly. So I think tomorrow I might start pulling bits off and beginning the paint job. Might even start with the tank, the biggest bit, because then you'll see the technique I'll use to do that would be the same as roller painting the a van. So it's exactly the same as the way that I did my van. So, you know, you can relate to it a bit. It's still the same skills needed to do van building. It's just a different vehicle, that's all. But yeah, you know, keeping busy as always. Quick one, how does the audio sound now? Is it better? Should be better. You have to let me know in the comments. Right, barbecue time. Right folks, I know today's video has been a bit pish, but say I spent half the day doing the bike and then we've just been sat out here now. It's currently 1 AM. We've all had quite a few beverages. I feel alright, to be fair, but a nice chilled out evening. I wish I could sort of show you more, like, so you could experience it better, but it's really difficult to sort of film it, but I do my best. I think I'll probably do a bit of painting tomorrow. Well, maybe. I'll see how I feel, but like I say, if I do the painting, then it'll be the same as doing a van. At least you can take a few bits from that. But yeah, it is most definitely bedtime now, so I shall see you all tomorrow, folks. Catch you in a bit.